My name is Arann Harris. I am the DIY guy for Fire Safe Marin, and I am here with my friend Kathy to talk about evacuation, warnings and orders. What is a warning?
A warning is when you get a text from Alert Marin and it says a wildfire is could threaten your neighborhood. So that's the time when you need to get prepared to go. So there's a few things you can do before you have to leave, which is a
order.
An order is
go.
Go. You have no time to do anything but get in your car and get out of Dodge.
Go. Order. Go. Will you show me what we do while we are waiting with a warning?
I will. Come on, let's go.
Let's go. All right, Kathy, you just got a warning from Alert Marin. Your phone is buzzed, you got a text. Start to get a little bit of nerves start to flow. What's the first thing you do?
Well, I go for my go bag, which lives right here. It has all the essentials in it.
Perfect.
And then because might be a little panicked, I have my extra piece of paper here that reminds me to grab my computer, cell phone, my chargers, and my medicine. All things that don't live in my go bag because I use them every day.
I love anything that can try to keep us calm in this emergency situation. What a great idea. I'm into it.
Good.
Well, it looks like you got some leashes in there. Oh, hi, Nellie. Oh, Nellie. Hi, Nellie. Yeah, hi. Is Nellie ready to go too?
Nellie's ready to go too. I have her leashes and I have some food in here and I have some extra dog bags and she's good to go.
And you've practiced with Nellie too?
Oh, yes.
Great. The more practice, the better. Now, if you're on the way out, what are you going to be wearing?
I'm going to be wearing this fashionable wildfire wear.
I love it. It's cotton. Wool is good too. No plastics, no nylon, nothing to melt. If it does get hot, you want to be ready to be protected. You have eye protection, N95, hat that's going to keep embers out, and gloves. Got to have the gloves. If you were to have to move something out of the road, anything was hot, you would want to protect your hands. I love it. So you've prepared. You've got your car loaded. All this is ready to go. You now can maybe start thinking about fortifying your house. What can you do to make your house safe if embers were to fall upon it?
First thing I'm going to do is close all my windows.
Okay.
And then I'm going to go outside and start pulling stuff in that might catch an ember, such as towels and furniture.
Let's go see it. Let's go see it.
Let's go
see it. Kathy, your red flag prep is looking radical. Pillows are gone. Metal furniture is left. But life happens around here. Talk to me about that towel.
Someone was drying their towel.
Which happens. So that's why we're taking this perusal around. Also, let's get rid of this plasticky ember catching device and
the recycle bin. You got to get rid of that.
let's do it.
Okay. Come on, Nellie.
All right, Kathy, what's happening out here?
Well, I want to make it as easy for firefighters as I can, so I leave some tools out for them.
I get it. So you're going to put a hose out. So one firefighter could jump off the engine and put a fire out.
I leave the water on, and that has a stop spigot.
So there's no leaking. It's not wasting water. It's not affecting the pressure in the neighborhood. What about this ladder? What's this ladder tell a firefighter?
Tells the firefighter that they can access my roof or take it over to my neighbor and to access their roof.
Again, one firefighter with these tools could save any of your houses. These buckets full of water, super portable. They could even take these buckets up on your roof and put fires out. It's good thinking. Now, is this for you?
No. No.
This is for after you've got the evacuation order, you're gone, and you're no peace of mind that your house has tools to protect it.
The firefighters can use these tools, not me. I'm not touching it.
This is you're gone.
I'm
Let's
gone.
go. Oh, Kathy, you're making good moves here with the silver bullet. It's backed in, nose out, ready to go. If there was traffic.
I could just point and go. I don't have to back up into oncoming traffic.
And if it was smoky, easy out, easy out. I love it. That's a quick fix, especially if there's a warning on. Let's do this.
Okay.
All right, Kathy, so the evacuation warning, you've done everything you can do in that time, preparing, and then the evacuation switches to an order. What do you do?
Well, first I'm on my way out the door. And on my way out the door, I'm going to remember to close my windows to keep embers out. Turn on my lights so firefighters can see my house. and I'm going to unlock the door in case I need to get inside my house. I'm going to open my gate.
So they can just get in, lickety-split if they have to.
Exactly.
Perfect. So Kathy will feel calm in her heart as she leaves that she's done everything she can do to protect her house. She's put the preparation in, she's practiced, and now she's gone. Where are you going? Mildred's?
Mildred's.
Mildred in
Tennessee.
Tennessee. It's a long commute.
Tennessee Street.
Tennessee Street. Out of the fire area, somewhere safe. She's prepared. That's where she's evacuating to. Thank you so much. You Marin folk, practice, prepare, and when you leave, you can feel like Kathy that she's done everything she can. Shall we go?
Let's go.
All right.